If you are desperately searching why does my sunscreen peel and roll off or why is my skincare rolling into little balls every single morning, you are not alone. You are manually triggering a systemic breakdown on your dermal hardware, and you are being lied to. You've likely been told your skincare products are just too cheap, or that you need to buy a $40 anti-peeling premium primer. That is the wellness matrix selling you a chemical band-aid to keep you paying the ignorance tax. The truth has nothing to do with your product's price, and everything to do with a catastrophic collision of high molecular polymers on your dermal hardware. In our Chinese physical wisdom, we fix this mechanical glitch for $0 today. Just physics. First, we need to decode the brutal physical logic. You might be rushing your morning routine, slapping on moisturizer, instantly following it with sunscreen, and immediately layering a thick tint or foundation. This is a highly irrational chemical disaster. In material science, moisturizers and sunscreens contain extremely complex high molecular polymers and silicone structures. When you give them absolutely zero time to cross-link and form a film, you are forcefully grinding them together in a semi-wet state. Different chemical molecules violently repel each other on your epidermis. Wait, think of it like trying to paint over wet cement. By rushing, you are grinding these chemical networks into dead debris. You aren't protecting your skin, you're turning your dermal hardware into a crumbling, peeling wall. Now, stop this continuous chemical stacking self-destruction. It's time to deploy the physical pause override. And no, I'm not selling you a magic anti-peeling primer. Look below this video in the description, 0 affiliate links. I have absolutely nothing to sell you. I'm only here to hand you the manual for your own structural integrity. If you want to keep paying the ignorance tax, leave. If you want the manual override, stay. Execute the $0 film formation protocol immediately. In our Chinese physical philosophy, we utilize the absolute art of the tea time pause. This is an unbreakable physical directive: stop the continuous smearing. After applying your moisturizer or sunscreen, you must force a mandatory 3-minute structural pause. Absolutely do not touch your face. Use these 3 minutes to brush your teeth or drink a cup of warm tea. This 3-minute structural pause is an unbreakable physical directive. You are giving these compounds the exact time to cross-link into an unbreakable physical defense shield. Do not touch it. Unless you want to manually sabotage the molecular alignment of your own protection. This is the material chemistry bottom line. You can keep acting like an impatient bricklayer, violently grinding semi-wet chemicals together and walking into work with a crumbling, debris-covered face. Or, starting today, you can spend exactly $0 unnecessary dollars, deploy the 3-minute tea time pause, and take back absolute operational control of your dermal hardware's structural integrity. Do you want a messy chemical battlefield or a flawless, locked-in physical defense shield? You decide. We have already unlocked the zero-cost Chinese physical protocols for your structurally toxic everyday habits. If you missed these $0 hardware patches, click the playlist on the screen to complete your system upgrade. True health never requires a bill, it only requires you to delete a bad habit. I decode one physical bug draining your system every day. See you tomorrow.